Hi everyone, this is Lekna from Bennett University. I'm currently pursuing my fourth year in computer science. Today, I want to explain about my project which I did for this capstone, that is Precis. Precis is a text summarizing app wherein you can detect the text and also summarize it. Text summarization is an ongoing industry in data science. One of the famous applications of text summarization is InShots. As we know that InShots gives us a summary of the news article in just 60 words. It has grown a wide range of popularity due to its short and 60 word summary. So here in my app, I've introduced the text detection and text summarization modules. I would love to give more insights about it in the presentation through a presentation. Let's go into the slides. So, to start off with the introduction, the goal of the summary. So, basically, what is a summary? Summary is to maintain or highlight the details of the passage. So, with a tremendous increase in our data day by day, it's also crucial to precise the important details. The advancement of technology made it possible to read each and every single detail in a news or article or any paper. This is mainly due to the amount of data that is increasing or available to the users and which changes every second. So, in order to solve this problem, text summarizers are used. So, what exactly is our problem statement? Text summarization is an application that has been working towards building a base in the ongoing industries. There are only a few text summarizers which can be or which gives the accurate summaries. That is also through a paid versions. And there are some apps in the Play Store, but are not very effective. So, what is the social importance or the relevance of this problem? It is first uh, the app which I'm using, which I made. It's a cross-platform app. That is, it can be used in an Android or it can be used in iOS app. It will save a lot of time. You can use it as a Google Lens for text detection and also for text summarization. It will work for any type of text like news articles, research papers, social media posts, and all. So, the solution that I proposed for the capstone, I came up with an idea to build on React Native application. The API are connected to the friend module to collect responses from the users. When the users input the image, that would be taken by the API by clicking a button, and then the backend Python module would activate. So the first module is through OCR, Tesseract OCR. It's a common or popular library for optical character recognition in Python. And the second, for the text summarization, there are two types of approaches for text summarization. One is extractive and one is abstractive. So here I used multilingual library and cosine similarity to get extractive summary. And for abstractive summary, I used unsupervised text summarization through skip vectors because of this type of summarization, that is abstractive summarization, gives more accurate summary than with compared to uh, extractive summarization, but it takes time to train and build the module. So the implementation details, I have used React Native, Expose CLI, Flask, RESTful framework, and then Tesseract OCR, Python NLTK libraries. So here is the activity. So this is how a basic module. And to conclude it, it's true that extraction of summary cannot be exact or because there is no ideal approach to find exact summary. There is a clear difference in evaluation techniques obtaining the summary by humans and with machines. I'm still working on improving all over performance of the app by adding few more features. Like while I was working on it, I thought the mind specific apps would attract much more customers. By adding features to the app, it can be more user friendly and attract a lot of audience.